This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37FH is a Class A RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37FH is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.